How to create Reddit account. So here is a quick and easy guide on how to create or sign up for Reddit. So let's get started. First of all, make sure you have downloaded the Reddit app on your mobile device. Then simply tap on the Reddit to create a new account. Once inside the Reddit app, you will be directed to the login section. But tap on the sign up button available at the top right corner of your screen since we are creating a new account. Once you tap on the sign up, you will be asked for your email address. Enter your email address and tap on the continue button available in there. Make sure you enter the correct email address because a verification code will be sent later. Now, as I've said, you'll have to verify your email. Simply go to the Gmail and check your verification code and enter it here. So once inside the Gmail, you will get to see Reddit notification at the top. Tap on it, then copy the code they have just sent you. Copy it. Now go back to the verify section and enter it here. And continue. Now all you have to do is choose a username. You can choose according to your preferences as well, or Reddit will offer you one. So I'm going with the Reddit offered. Tap on the continue. Now set a password. Make sure you set a strong password. Then again tap on the continue button available once you enter it. Then you will be navigated for the gender verification. You can simply choose one from this option or you can also skip it. Once done so, customize your feed by selecting a few topics of interest. You can choose as much as you want and tap on the next or finish button available there. Then, once done so, you will be navigated to your feed of your Reddit. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.